Dementia isn't just a natural part of aging, it can often be prevented with the right lifestyle choices, including diet. By avoiding certain foods, you can reduce inflammation, protect brain cells, and improve overall cognitive health. Let's look at 12 foods you should be wary of if you're aiming to keep your mind sharp and healthy. Let's dive in. Number 1, sugary beverages. Sugary drinks, like sodas and sweetened fruit juices, are packed with high amounts of fructose, which can cause insulin resistance and increase blood sugar levels. These drinks can lead to weight gain, which has been linked to higher dementia risk. High blood sugar can harm blood vessels in the brain, impacting memory and cognitive function. Reducing sugary drinks in your diet can benefit your mind in the long run. Number 2, refined carbs. Refined carbs, such as white bread, white rice, and pasta, are common in many diets but can pose risks to brain health. These carbs are stripped of fiber and nutrients during processing, leaving them with a high glycemic index, GI. Consuming these carbs can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar and insulin levels, which can lead to oxidative stress, an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants. This can accelerate aging in brain regions critical for memory, learning, and cognitive functions. Oxidative damage may also contribute to inflammation in the brain, a factor in the development of dementia and other neurodegenerative diseases. The lack of energy caused by consumption of refined carbs can impair communication between brain cells, increasing the risk of memory problems and cognitive decline. Studies have linked diets high in refined carbs to an increased risk of mild cognitive impairment, which can often be an early sign of dementia. To support brain health, consider opting for complex, low GI carbohydrates found in whole grains like oats, brown rice, and whole grain bread. These carbs digest more slowly, providing a steady release of glucose that prevents spikes in blood sugar. Number 3, processed meats. Bacon, sausages, and other processed meats contain high levels of nitrites and other preservatives. These chemicals are associated with inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. Processed meats are also high in saturated fats, which can clog arteries, including those supplying blood to the brain, potentially leading to a higher risk of dementia. Number 4, fried foods. Fried foods, such as French fries, donuts, and fried chicken, are typically high in trans fats, which can have serious consequences for brain health. These fats are known to increase inflammation throughout the body, including in the brain. Chronic inflammation is a significant factor in the development of dementia, as it can disrupt neural pathways and damage brain cells over time. Additionally, trans fats have been linked to plaque buildup in the brain, specifically in areas vital for memory and cognitive processing. This buildup can hinder communication between neurons and interfere with brain functions that are crucial for memory retention and decision-making. To protect your brain, consider replacing fried foods with healthier options prepared through baking, steaming, or grilling. These cooking methods reduce the formation of trans fats, helping you avoid the negative impacts on your brain. Making small changes in cooking choices can have a significant positive effect on cognitive health and may lower the risk of dementia. Number 5, artificial sweeteners. Aspartame and other artificial sweeteners have been shown to interfere with cognitive functions and may increase your dementia risk. Studies suggest that these sweeteners can alter brain function and trigger inflammation, harming neurons responsible for memory. Choosing natural sweeteners like honey or reducing sugar intake can be more beneficial for brain health. Number 6, high sodium foods. Excess salt intake can lead to high blood pressure, which restricts blood flow to the brain. Over time, this can contribute to cognitive decline and increase the risk of vascular dementia. Processed snacks, canned soups, and fast food are typically loaded with sodium. Reducing sodium intake will benefit both your heart and your brain. Number 7, trans fats. The aforementioned trans fats are often found in margarine, frozen pizzas, and baked goods. These fats can create oxidative stress, damage brain cells, and hinder cognitive processes, all of which can increase the risk of dementia. By choosing foods with healthy fats like avocados or nuts, you can support your brain's longevity. Number 8, highly processed foods. Packaged snacks, instant noodles, and pre-made meals are highly processed and often lack essential nutrients while being high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and salt. They contribute to brain inflammation and oxidative stress, which can increase dementia risk. Incorporating fresh, whole foods instead helps supply essential nutrients that support brain health. Number 9, alcohol. While moderate alcohol intake might not be harmful, excessive drinking can severely affect cognitive functions and increase dementia risk. Alcohol consumption damages brain cells, particularly in the hippocampus, which plays a key role in memory. Limiting alcohol intake and staying hydrated with water or herbal teas can benefit brain health. Number 10, red meat. Red meat, especially when eaten in excess, can increase the risk of dementia. High amounts of iron in red meat can lead to oxidative stress in the brain, accelerating cognitive decline. Processed or grilled red meats are even worse due to chemicals formed in the cooking process. Choosing lean proteins like fish and poultry can be a healthier choice for the brain. Number 11, butter and full-fat dairy. Butter and other full-fat dairy products contain high levels of saturated fats, which can increase cholesterol and impair blood flow to the brain. Studies have linked high saturated fat intake with an increased risk of Alzheimer's disease. Opt for low-fat dairy alternatives to reduce this risk. Number 12, pastries and sweets. Cookies, cakes, and candies are high in sugar and refined carbs, which lead to insulin resistance and inflammation. These sweet treats can contribute to brain fog and poor memory over time. Consuming them in moderation and choosing healthier dessert options can protect your brain from cognitive decline. Reducing these foods in your diet may seem challenging, but each small step can help protect your brain and lower your risk of dementia. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods, healthy fats, and nutrient-rich vegetables to keep your mind sharp. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more health tips. Remember, small changes today can make a big difference tomorrow. Stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.